The spare tire on a 2006 Chevy Suburban is located underneath the rear of the vehicle, secured by a winch system. To remove it, insert the lug wrench into the access point in the rear bumper. Rotate counterclockwise to lower the tire. If the winch is stuck due to rust, apply penetrating oil like WD-40 and use a pipe for added leverage. For the jack, it's typically stored under the rear seat or in the cargo area compartment, depending on the specific model year and trim. Once located, familiarize yourself with the jack's operation, typically a scissor type or hydraulic bottle jack, before proceeding to lift the vehicle. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and engage the parking brake. Use wheel chocks for added safety. Locate the jacking points near the tire you need to change, usually on the frame. Before jacking, loosen the lug nuts counterclockwise, but don't remove them completely. Position the jack and raise the vehicle until the flat tire is off the ground. Remove the lug nuts and the flat tire. Mount the spare tire, hand tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern, and lower the vehicle. Once lowered, fully tighten the lug nuts with a torque wrench to 100 feet-pounds if available. Remember, the spare tire is often for temporary use only, typically with a 50 miles per hour speed and 50-mile range limit. So get your flat tire repaired or replaced as soon as possible.